and ceylon shrimp, that kind of heavy. Oh my goodness, guys. Boy. Delicioso, ¿verdad? Delicia. Okay. Nine. How many cars is it? Trailer, car, and the truck been doing. I'm doing good, mate. Sleeping a couple hours. And we go back to the road. So now, this one is done. That's one too. We're gonna put this outside, that's it. Gonna put this, this, oh my goodness. On the other side, this is the garbage. Right there. The seed line. Got it from Walmart. And everything got it from Walmart. And then I don't come in. I like it. Okay, look, I don't know. No. From New York. I got shrimp. Shrimp very good. They're gonna let some. Oh my god. Delícia. Olha.